Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Bilal, and in today's quick Kotlin tutorial we are going to talk about two simple yet important functions, println and print. Let's dive right into it. Let's start with the println function. The name stands for print line, and as the name suggests, it prints a message followed by a new line. So let's see this through a code. I have a main function here, and I'm going to print a line here. Okay, and I'm going to add one more line here. So I'll give it the text. This is the second line. So here we are using the println twice. Let's run the code and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, each println prints the text on a new line. Okay, so now let's talk about the print function here. Unlike println, it doesn't add a new line after printing the text, so everything will stay on the same line. So let's see this through an example. So I'm going to change this one. So let's run this and check out the output. Okay, so the function has printed the value here. So notice how both messages are printed on the same line without jumping to the next line after the first print. So that is the main difference. Use println when you want to print each message on a new line, and print when you want everything to stay on the same line. So that's it for this quick tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Kotlin tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.